Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to get more views on SoundCloud website. So first of all, of course, you'd like to go and open the browser that you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps. So for me, here I'm actually using Brave, but for you, of course, you can use any other browsers such as Google Chrome, Opera, Brave like me, Microsoft Edge, I don't know what else, Internet Explorer if it's even working for you. I don't know. Just choose whatever browser you're using or you're comfortable with and open it, of course. And then you would like to go and type SoundCloud, and then hit the enter button, of course. Then, of course, that will actually take you into this page. Just hit the first website. And as you can see, that will actually be your home or your main screen on the application. Of course, first of all, you would like to go and log into your account. But if you don't have an account, you would like to just to go and create your own account, then just log in into it. So of course, after you've done that, that will actually be your home or your main screen on the application. And if you want to get more views, I have some tricks I found here in Google. So here you are. Here is 9 SoundCloud promotion tips you get to get your music here. So of course, you would like first of all to tag for success. Then you would like to, the second option is, or the second trick is to add a buy link. Of course, the third trick is to tell a story with your waveform. The fourth one is get your album ad right. 5. Share tracks privately before you're released. And 6. Publish your best. 7. Change the audio without losing comments, likes, and plays. And the last one is share with care. So of course, I have other options. Is if you are really a beginner, you would like to go here to your profile, of course. For me, I don't have trucks here, but for you, of course, if you have trucks, make sure to share it with all your social media. So of course, don't just stop here. You would like to ask your friends if, of course, if you have a good songs, they will actually like share it by default. But if you don't have, not you don't, sorry, but if it's not like you have a good music, right? I mean, you can ask them. But anyway, you would like to ask your friends to share your music again, and of course you have even this share option. You can just click on it and click at Twitter, Facebook, I don't know what is that, what is it, it's Tumblr, I don't know it, a Telegram, and of course buy a message to someone and try to share your music as possible as you can, yeah. So that will actually like make your songs more heard and you'll get more views. So that will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.